Welcome to Aram Kitchen and Vlogs. Today, we are making special potato recipe, which is so delicious and flavorful. Vegetable oil 1 to 3 cup. Onion 1 cup. Cook until the onion becomes soft. Ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Tomato to medium, blended into puree. Cook for about 2 minutes. Coriander powder 2 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 to 2 teaspoon. Garam masala powder 1 to 2 teaspoon. Salt as per taste or 1 teaspoon. Water 2 tablespoon. Cook until oil becomes separate. Pickle 2 tablespoon. Potato slices 500 grams. Mix well. Cook until oil becomes separate. Water 1 to 2 cup. Cover and cook until potatoes become soft. This recipe is so good. The aroma is amazing. Oh, and the taste is phenomenal. And you saw how easy it was to make, using less ingredients as well. If you liked this recipe, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, and bye!